Hi everybody, so this is the video for ZCT206 project. Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Hajar binti Jamaluddin. My matrix number is 146032. And this is my friend.
Hi, I'm Nur Adrina binti Narifin, matrix number of 147740. And we are team that has no name. Okay, just
We are
kidding.
from team This is our logic circuit. It has NOT gate, NAND gate, AND gate, and also OR gate. The Boolean expression for this circuit can be simplified as this. We use the simplified version of Boolean expression to build truth table and compare it with typical truth table. Component use: breadboard, 9V power supply, IC gates, switches, voltage regulator, resistors, LED, and wires.
Here are the details about the component used in this experiment.
First is the breadboard. Breadboard, or referring to the solderless breadboard, is used to make a temporary circuit because it requires absolutely no soldering. And a little bit fun fact about breadboard is that the word breadboard comes from people in the past who take their mother's breadboard to build circuit on it. And this is the original breadboard. Next is the NOT gate, which is a digital inverter. Based on the name, of course its function is to invert the input. After that is AND gate. It behaves according to this truth table. A high output result only if all the input to the AND gate are high. If one of the input is low, low output will be result. Well, it's contradict with OR gate, where high output will result if any one of the input is high, and low output will result when all the input is low. Furthermore, NAND gate is not AND gate, where it will produce output which is complement to the AND gate output as this truth table.
Next is voltage regulator. It functions as a stabilizer to the DC voltage used aside of maintaining a constant voltage level. Meanwhile, resistor is used to reduce current flow in the circuit, in which the ability to reduce the current flow is called resistance and measured in the unit ohm. Last but not least, the LED, which stands for light emitting diode, is a semiconductor light source which emits light when a current flows through it.
That's all for the component. Next, let's get started.
As you can see here, this is the complete circuit with the 9V battery, the voltage regulator, 3 push buttons ABC, and the LED. So first, let's connect the battery to the circuit. And now, let's check whether this circuit obeys the truth table or not. When all of the inputs are 0, the output is 0. When C is 1, the output is 0. When B is 1, the output is 0. When B and C are 1, the output is 0. When A is 1, the output is 1. When A and C are 1, the output is 1. When A and B are 1, the output is 0. When all of the inputs are 1, the output is 1. So this concludes that this circuit does obey the truth table. So, what will happen to the output if one of the inputs is disconnected from the circuit? This is called as floating, where the output won't behave like the truth table. So let's see. If we disconnected the input A, the output is 0. And when we disconnect the input B, the output is 0. And if we disconnect the input C, the output is 0. So this is proven that if one of the input is disconnected, the output won't behave like the truth table. So the output is in a floating state.
During doing this project, there was a problem arise where our LED was burned because the 9-volt power supply is too high for our gates, since the voltage for our gates cannot exceeding 7 volts. So we solved this problem by using the voltage regulator, where its function is to stabilize the DC voltage used and also to maintain a constant voltage level. Another problem is that our circuit is not functioning as the true stable, of course by the wrong connection of the circuit. So we solve this problem by unplug everything and do the circuit again.